So here is a cool Photoshop alternative that runs in your browser, which means you don't need a heavy-duty computer to run heavy application like Photoshop and still get similar kind of functionality. This is Photopea, which can be accessed at photopea.com, and it supports all the formats Adobe Photoshop supports like PSD and many other formats. If we compare it with Photoshop, it has got a lot of features that are available in Adobe Photoshop, such as layers, selection tool, drawing tool, filters and effects, color adjustments, tools, shape, pen tool, history panel, masks, and content-aware fill. The benefits of using Photopea is that it's completely free. There is no subscription, whereas you have to pay a heavy monthly subscription for accessing Adobe Photoshop, which is quite tough for a newbie or a student. Another benefit is it works directly inside the browser. You don't need to install it on your computer, which means it can even run on Chromebooks, which are inexpensive computers. And it automatically saves your progress in the back end, which means if you're working on something, it keeps on saving your recent work after a regular interval of time. You can open PSD files. If you have got Photoshop files, you will be able to open it in photopea.com and make edits to it. So apart from being lightweight and faster performance, it works on any device, and you can do basic to intermediate photo editing. You don't need heavy software. You don't need to learn photo editing software like Photoshop. Now let's see how we can use Photopea to create our product mockup. Wrap images, text, logos around object without Photoshop. I've already downloaded my product image as well as the logo I want to add. I've got a can with me, and I just created a mockup design just for the sake of this video. To do this, you can simply drag and drop your first photo, the photo of the can, and then again drag and drop the design, and you can zoom in using the 2 fingers on your laptop or your mouse. And once you are zoomed in, make sure that you have selected your design from the layer on the right-hand side. Once the design is selected, go to Edit, Transform, and click on Warp. This will let you warp this image around this empty can. Here you have to be a little precise. It would be better if you have the knowledge how online tools work, or at least how Photoshop works, because even though it's a free tool, you still need skill to achieve what you're looking for. So since it's a cylindrical object, the logo would appear slightly arced. So I will try to create an arc over here, something like this, and I will move it a little. And once you're satisfied with the way you have warped the design, what you can do is go to the left-hand side and tap on Move Tool. This will unselect the Warp tool and now go to the blending options right-hand side. When you click on it, you will get a few options. There are blending options, select multiply, and when you select multiply, you can see that the effect has been applied. It is not perfect because I'm just giving an example. But if you want to do it patiently. Make sure you warp the image correctly and you will be able to achieve what you're looking for. So that's it in this video. I hope you find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.